Understanding Return Home, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in the English language, return home. We'll break down its meaning, usage, and variations. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Return home is a phrase that combines two words, return and home. It's important to understand each word separately before we look at them together. Return. This verb means to go or come back to a place. It implies a journey back to a starting point or a place you were before. Home. This noun refers to the place where one lives. It could be a house, an apartment, or any place one considers their residence. When combined, return home means going back to the place where you live. It's a simple yet versatile phrase used in various contexts. Return home can be used in many different situations. Let's look at some examples. 1. Daily life. I return home from work every day at 6 p.m. 2. Traveling. After our vacation, we will return home on Sunday. 3. Long absences. She finally returned home after studying abroad for a year. In each of these examples, the phrase indicates a movement back to one's place of living. The phrase can be modified slightly to fit different contexts. Here are a few examples. Return to home. This is a less common variation but still correct. Returning home. This is the continuous form, used when the action is ongoing. Returned home. This is the past tense, indicating the action has already happened. Each variation adjusts the phrase to fit the time and context of the sentence. Return home can also carry emotional and cultural implications. For many, it signifies comfort, safety, and familiarity. In literature and movies, a character's journey to return home can symbolize a return to oneself or finding what's truly important. I hope this explanation helps clarify the meaning and usage of return home. It's a phrase rich in meaning, yet simple in its construction. Whether you're conversing, writing, or traveling, understanding this phrase can enhance your English communication skills. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!